Fast, here is weather specialist Noor Rafat.
Hey, thanks very much, Megan. Well, the day that dozens of people, I'm sure, have been waiting for is finally here. And if you tell me you wasted all of it inside, I can't help you. I don't know what to do anymore. You may have fumbled that one because 14 degrees is the kind of temperature you want to see outside and feel outside, along with that gorgeous sunshine. There was a lot of that sunshine across southwestern all the way to eastern and central Ontario, but we're already starting to see some of that rain creep in around parts of the Great Lakes, and we know things are going to switch up very soon, already seeing that around northern Ontario. That's where we find these weather statements in place for rain tonight, transitioning to snow by tomorrow, and that could bring up to 25 centimeters, if not more, for those communities affected or labeled in gray, and continuing with that snow into potentially Tuesday as well. Why is that important? Well, it's that same system that's going to bring the white stuff down to southern and parts of eastern Ontario as well in the coming days. Not tomorrow, though. Tomorrow, expecting some brief showers into the early morning hours in the GTHA, into Peterborough as well. A chance to see some sunshine by the afternoon, but as your evening progresses and we head into Tuesday, well, that's when you'll start to see that precipitation shift and also a change in those temperatures. A mild overnight tonight in Toronto, seasonal out in Kingston, 1 degree over there. Tomorrow, temperatures still climbing to a seasonal 11 degrees, but mostly cloudy conditions and some winds gusting up to 40 kilometers an hour. Megan?
All right, thank you, Noor. National and provincial.
Although your day tomorrow may not be as gorgeous as what you saw today, at least we'll hit some very decent, in fact, very seasonal temperatures. Your high 11 degrees in Toronto. Unfortunately, a lot more cloud cover through the course of the day and some brief showers in the morning with the passing of that system. Also a bit on the breezy side. Some of those gusts could near 40 to 45 kilometers per hour. But when we talk double digits, well, we've been seeing a lot of rebounding in many communities that have been, I'm sure, wanting to see those double digits return. Central Canada at that, but also Western Canada and especially western parts of the prairies. Yesterday, snow in Calgary, Banff, other parts of southern Alberta. Tomorrow, 17 degrees for those regions. Not everyone getting a taste of those double digits, and we're seeing some troughs in the jet stream, allowing that cold air to flow through and bring some of those chillier conditions to some of those communities, and with that also a change in precipitation from rain to snow, and that is on the way as well for Ontario in the coming days. Not tomorrow, though, as I mentioned, still looking at those quick showers in the early morning hours, a chance to see some breaks in the afternoon from those clouds, and by Tuesday things already starting to shift. And take a look at what happens over here. We're already seeing that lake effect machine kick right back up, and with it impacting Waterloo region, Muskoka into North Bay, maybe even into Peterborough, with some prolonged hours of snow. And not for Peterborough, but rather for the Waterloo region, the Wyerton region, as I just mentioned, and some of that snow pushing into Ottawa by Wednesday morning. Things will start to dry up later on in the day during Wednesday, and could see some more sunny breaks into your Thursday. So not going to last forever, but certainly a surprise if you're getting used to that sunshine that we're seeing today. Our model show as of right now, not as heavy of snow expected as we are in the north, so around the 3 to 5 centimeter range for those areas that are seeing that lake effect, and things start to move out, as I mentioned, by Wednesday afternoon. 15 degrees in Hamilton tomorrow, 16 in Stratford, 14 in Peterborough, and 15 in Belleville. Your next 7 days. Here comes that cool down Tuesday and also into Wednesday. A cold start to your day, feeling closer to -6 when you're heading out the door. We do get into some double digits Thursday, slightly below average. Friday and Saturday, some showers.